Hi everyone, it is the week before Thanksgiving, so I am going to show you today how to make these super cute turkey headbands. So you can wear it, the kids can wear it on their head, or because it has that, you can sit it on the table for a decoration as well on Thanksgiving Day. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in your kit. You have a piece of brown paper for the turkey, 2 green bands, this is for the headband. These pieces are for the feathers, so you should have 2 green, a yellow, a red, and an orange. And you have a little orange triangle. We'll cut that smaller if you like into the little turkey nose. And the red piece is for the gobbler and easy sticker eyes. So all you're going to need at home is scissors, glue stick. I used a black thin marker for tracing. And we will need a stapler to do the headband. So we can do the headband first. So we're going to take 2 pieces and just lay them on top of each other. I used 3 staples. So just do one at the bottom, the middle, turn it around and do the other side. Now you have a good long strip. If you want, you can hold it up to your child's head and measure it so it fits good and snug. I'm just going to turn it around and staple it again 3 times. And then we're going to glue the turkey right over one of the sets of the staples, and then the other set will be in the back. So first what we want to do is let's just draw a funny shape for the turkey body. So you can start with a pencil if you want. I just like to go freehand, take it down, and we'll just make a little wobbly, make the body a little bit bigger than the head, and it looks just about like this. Even if you just made a long oval, whatever the kids made would be fine. So we're going to take this and cut it out. Don't worry if there's a lot of the black lines showing, because you can always flip it over if you want, and then you won't see it. Okay, so now that we have that, why don't we do some feathers? So how I cut mine is I took the orange, yellow, and red and stacked them together. The green is left over from something else, so it's just a little bit smaller, so I'm going to cut these 2 separately. I put the 2 greens on the outside because this green matches the green of the headband. So what you can do for this is just stack them evenly. I started at the bottom for this one and just go up and then work your way to a point, turn it around. Now we're going to go down and kind of replicate that. And now we have 3 feathers. And we'll do the green, do the same thing. I start up a little bit higher on these and just curve it into the point. So just like that. And then on these, I did make little lines. So you can do that, just do one long line up in the center and then branch out to make it look like the feathers. But if you don't want the young kids to do that, it will still look really cute. So before we start putting the body of the turkey on the headband, why don't we make the face? So we'll put the eyes on. I gave you a big triangle. I had this from something else. So leave this one point at the bottom. We're going to turn it into a diamond. So take that off and take that off. And it's going to look like that. That way you'll get a little 3D effect. And it's going to be popping off the page because you'll just glue the bottom. And then with the red square, we want to make the little gobbler that's hanging down. So just make little wavy lines curve it around at the end. Get your glue stick, put a little glue there, little glue on the bottom of the beak. Super easy. And now let's glue the feathers. So just do a little bit right down at the bottom here. And then we're going to start fanning them out on the back of the turkey. And we'll do the green ones last. It doesn't really matter what order you do it in, but I just thought since there's 2 green, do that and that. And you can glue that right on your headband. Press that on good. And now if you notice, I have one extra little detail. It's the little turkey feet. So where we cut off the red from the feathers, you can take this and make some little feet. This one, I did little legs, claws. If you have young children and you want to make something simple, how about just 2 cute little rounded feet? So let's put a little glue on there and we'll stick it under the body of the turkey, and then you can bend it. There we go. So this one I did a little less detail for younger ones, so there's just no black marker lines on the feathers and a little bit easier feet to cut. And this one has a little bit more detail on it. So super cute, super simple. This is available starting the week of Monday, November 16th. And this will be available all week while supplies last. Don't forget, Thanksgiving is November 26th. We are going to be closed that Thursday, and on Wednesday, the 25th, we do close at 5 p.m. And now for the week of Thanksgiving, I know your kids may have a little extra time. I made an activity packet for the week. So it has lots of fun things for the kids to do, coloring sheets, puzzles. It has some leaves if you want to make some name tags for the table. So lots of things just for the kids to be creative and have fun, because I'm going to be busy working on all of our December crafts. We have tons of holiday fun. I have trees for us to decorate. I'm going to have lots of ornaments and lots of other special things that we're working on for Christmas break while the kids are off of school. So I want to get a jump start on that so I can make some really special things. So come in this week and pick up the turkey headband. And so next week I will not be making a video, but I will have the activity packets up in the lobby for the kids all week long. And then come back on Monday, November 30th, and we'll have a new craft video. And we'll also have our apron video released this day for kids in the kitchen. So join us November 30th for 2 new videos. Hope to see you soon. Gobble, gobble.